Wanna know how to check your order details or order history in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your wish.com website. And now, once you've done that, here, make sure you are logged in as well. And we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. And once you've done all of that, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile once you've done it, once you've logged in, and you can just simply hover on it right here, and you should be seeing order history that should be right below shortcut card. If you don't see it, you can just simply scroll and see it as well. And now once you've done it, here you can see all of your order history from all orders, delivered, pickup, pre-born, refunded and cancelled, and so on. You can also check and change your placed orders from last 90 days to all dates. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.